Today we learn the months of the year, from January to December. After this lesson, you will be able to say all the months of the year. Why do we learn the months? Because months are essential for daily life planning. Birthdays, travel, exams, bills, and changes in the weather all require using months. Now, let's first listen to the names of the 12 months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. If 12 words feel like a lot, don't worry. Now we connect them to real life, and they will be much easier to remember. Let's look at the first 6 months. January. A new year begins. February. The coldest time of the year. March. Spring begins. April. It rains a lot. May. The weather gets warmer. June. Summer arrives. Now let's look at the last 6 months. July. The hottest time of the year. August. The main vacation month. September. School starts. October. The weather gets cooler. November. The days get shorter. December. The end of the year. Connecting months with real-life events makes them much easier to remember. Now let's learn one universal sentence pattern. In plus month. For example, I travel in July. I work a lot in September. I go home in December. You can also use dates to talk about specific days. For example, May 5th, October 1st. Now let's do a quick practice. I say the month in Chinese, you say it in English. March, June, September, December. Very good. Now let's do a short listening test. I say the month, you say the meaning. April, August, November, January. Congratulations. Now you can understand and say all the months of the year.